A high-stakes judicial selection process underway here in South Carolina, with dozens of seats open and an incumbent Supreme Court justice facing three challengers. The outcome could shape the courts for years. State House reporter Caroline Yaffa has more.
The General Assembly is expected to elect judges early next year, but before any votes are cast, candidates must appear in front of the Judicial Merit Selection Commission, also known as the JMSC, here in Columbia, and that screening process is already underway. The JMSC, which is a 12-member panel of lawmakers, governor appointees, and attorneys, is interviewing candidates this week for more than 24 judicial openings. This year's screening is especially important because a state Supreme Court seat is being challenged. Justice John Few is seeking a new 10-year term against three opponents, including former House Speaker Jay Lucas, Judge Tripp Anderson, and Judge Blake Hewitt. Lawmakers press Few on what they say is a shift in his abortion rulings. In 2021, South Carolina passed a law banning abortions after a heartbeat is detected, which they say is around 6 weeks. In January 2023, the state Supreme Court struck that law down, saying it violated the state's constitution's privacy laws. Later that year, the legislature passed a revised 6-week ban, and the Supreme Court upheld it. But members of the JMSC questioned Few's difference on opinion between the years.
In my opinion, they are absolutely perfectly consistent. I wanted to articulate why it is that I can differentiate my vote in case number 1 and case number 2.
There are lots of eyes on two of the candidates specifically, Justice Few and former Speaker Lucas. This comes after the state is under fire over lawmakers being able to pick judges. Since a former lawmaker is a candidate for a position on the Supreme Court, he is pleading for his former colleagues to vote for him. In Columbia, I'm Caroline Yaffa.